is to work even harder in their memories. Because all of them were key champions of the reset agenda that we are pursuing as a government. And so the reset agenda must be successful in their memory so that their deaths would not have been in vain. It's a difficult calamity because if you look at all those who died, they were at the prime of their lives and had so much responsibility. Children still in school, and some even with infants as young as 2 months. The pilot's child he has a child 2 months old. And these responsibilities are what we have to take up to make sure that the absence of the parents does not adversely affect the innocent children. We'll do a state funeral on Friday the 15th for all of them. And at the funeral, we will announce some program for creating a fund that will assist with the education of their children. And so on Friday, I'll announce the details of that so that persons who want to contribute for the future of the children they've left behind would have the opportunity to do so.